Hi, so in this video I'll show you how you can use Preflight Feature Panel in Adobe InDesign to avoid end of issue happen after exporting document into PDF or sending for print. So let's get started and see how we can use Preflight Feature in Adobe InDesign. So you can also find Preflight Panel on the bottom here. Once you will click on this arrow, you can see here Preflight Panel, which shortcut is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift and F. Okay, that also can be used for this panel. Once you will click here, you can see here Preflight Panel. Apart from this, you can see this option in Windows, and here it is Output and Preflight Panel. Okay. So once you will click here, you can see this panel, and here it is no error and it's coming in green. Okay. So for instance, I am just adjusting my frame and decreasing the size of it. And here it is, you can see some text is getting hide and overset in this frame. Okay, so as you can see here, I have just done one error. Okay, and in Preflight Panel, if you come, you can see here our Preflight Panel has detected that particular error in this panel, which you can see here. It has been come one error. Okay, so this is exactly has been come here what I have done right now. Okay, similarly all the issues related to text image that Preflight Panel will highlight here, which you can simply go on that particular source error where it is available and fix it. So simply once you will click on this text, and here you have to click on this arrow, and here it is problem related to overset text. Just you have to click on this. Again click on the arrow, and here it is text frame issue. Okay, once you will click on text frame, you can see here some related to information related to that error. Okay, here it is our problem like overset text 244 character. That means here it is 244 character is getting hide inside a frame. Okay, here it is our problem is showing, and here it is how you can fix that problem. That information is available here. So this is very important that you can easily find the error description as well as how you can fix it. As a guidance you can also find here. Okay, so to go on that particular error where it is available in the document, simply have to click on this source click. Okay, once you will click here, directly it will redirect to on that problem where it is available, and just you have to click and fix it. Once you will fix, all the error has been automatically gone. Okay, so this is something work our Preflight Panel, which is very important when you will work on huge document and multiple pages and huge text. So these all problem is very common what most of the time happen by us. So to validate these all things, you can simply use Preflight Panel. Okay, apart from this, you can also create customized Preflight profile based on project or based on your problem what you do mostly while working in Adobe InDesign. So to create customized Preflight profile, simply have to come here. As you can see here, it is our profile. So here it is currently working our basic profile, which is come inbuilt in Adobe InDesign. That is working here. Okay, so to define new profile, simply have to click on here plus button. Once you will click, you can see here new profile. Okay, and you can give it the name of the profile. Simply you can rename it, for instance. Okay, and you can also give here validation for what you want, like color related problem if you want to keep highlight. So you can also check out as well as image related problem or object related problem. So these all issues which you want to validate in this panel, so you can check out. Okay, apart from this, here it is our text related issues what you want to avoid, font related, so it's already checked. And here it is something document related problem if you want to get highlighted on this panel, so you can also check it. For instance, I want page size or orientation or blank page I want to highlight. Here in this panel, if there are any blank page available or inside documents, so it will automatically detect and show you that here it is available blank pages. Okay, so just you can go over there and delete that blank page. Okay, so this is something I have created this new profile, and just I will click on save and OK. So for applying your created new customized profile, simply have to click here and just you have to select your created new profile. Once you will select here, you can see here errors related to your document and one links. Okay, as you can see here, it is our link is missing. Okay, from where this image was linked from your computer, it has been deleted over there. So in your Preflight Panel, here it is link missing. Okay, once you will click here, you can see here problem description. Based on that, you can simply fix out. So to fix it, simply have to click on this source and it will redirect you on that particular problem, and just you have to relink it and it got fixed. Okay, something like this. Similarly, you can also see here it is problem related to incorrect page size. So here it is page required, what is page size is required and what is current size, and here it is how you can fix it. So to fix page size, simply you have to click on master page, because if you will fix the page size on master page, so it will get reflect or all the normal document pages automatically. So to fix it, I have just came in master page. As you can see here, it is two different page size. Number one, we have A4 and here it is letter size. So just you have to make it both page sizes same over the document. Okay. So to update your page size, simply you have to select your both master pages, and as you can see here, it is showing like how you can fix it. Choose file document setup to specify the required page size. So simply I'll click on file, and here we can see document setup. So just you have to click on it and fix this size. So as you can see here, it is required 215.9 mm by 279.4 mm based on our validation what we have set up in my profile. So just you have to make your width 215.9 and your height to 79.4. Once you will do and click OK, you can see this error has been gone. So similarly, you can also customize profile based on your problem, what is mostly happen by you, and you will get notified automatically by Preflight Panel, and just you have to go on that particular error and fix it. So hope you got understood using Preflight feature in Adobe InDesign. So by using it, you can ensure absolutely error-free your document after exporting or sending for print. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content.
Lee Graphics.